Hello friends, we have learned about variables and operators, so we can do different operations on variables. But if we have multiple operators in an expression, then what could be the result and how we should use those operators in our expression? We will talk about this. First we will talk about the problem and then we will see the solution. Here we have a class operators, and in this class we have one method which is main method. We have two variables, number 1 and number 2, and we have a third variable result. We are adding these two variables and we are getting the result. Now we will compile this Java C operators.java. As you can see, we have compiled it successfully, so it means we don't have any syntax error. Now we will run this program. And here you can see we have got the result, which is 5 exactly, addition of 2 and 3. Now if we have another variable and we store 4 in it, as we know we have 5 as addition of number 1 and number 2. Now if we multiply this by third variable, which is 4, then we are expecting that we will get the result which is 20, because number 1 plus number 2 is equal to 5, and then we are multiplying this by number 3 which is 4, and we will get 20. We will compile it. It has been compiled successfully. Now we will run it. Here we have 14, but we were expecting 20. Why it is so? Let's talk about it. We have precedence of operators in Java programming language. It means that in an expression, if we have multiple operators, then few operators with highest precedence will be operated first, and then operators with least precedence will be operated. Here we were expecting that we will get this 20, but we got this 14. What has happened? First 3 and 4 were multiplied and we got the result 12. Then it was added with 2 and we got the result 14. This is due to that multiplication has higher precedence than addition operator. The highest precedence is of unary operators. These operators, if we are adding something like plus plus or minus minus or concatenation operator, these are highest precedence, and in expression these operators will be operated or calculated first. Then second precedence is of multiplication, division and modulus. Third precedence is of addition and subtraction, and this is why that first 4 and 3 were multiplied and then 2 were added. Fourth precedence is of comparison operators, less than equal to, greater than equal to, greater than. Then less precedence is of comparison operators, equal to, not equal to. Then sixth precedence is of AND operator. Then we have precedence of OR operator, and least precedence is of assignment operator. So if an expression has these all operators, first unary operators will be operated and then in order other operators. Here first a multiplication operator was operated, we got 12, and then this 12 was added with 2 and we got 14. But here is another case, we have two minus operators. If this is the case that we have more than one operator with equal precedence, then we will start from left side. First we will solve this side, we will get 15, then we will solve this second expression. But if we have unary operator, this parentheses, and you know importance of unary operator is highest, so it will be solved first. We will get result 16, and then we will subtract this 16 from 40 and we will get 24. So due to this unary operator, our result has been changed. Here we have multiple operators. Let's talk about it. Multiplication and division and modulus, these has highest precedence in this expression, so these will be solved, but we will solve from left hand side. First we will solve this operator, we will get 26. Then in this expression you can see we have division, then we will divide it, then we will get this expression, and in this expression we have equal precedence of modulus and multiplication. We will solve from left side and we will operate this modulus operator. Then we have 26 plus 3 minus 2 multiplied by 2. Now this multiplication will be solved and we will get this expression 26 plus 3 minus 4. Now as we know that addition and subtraction have equal precedence, we will add these two first, then we will get this expression 29 minus 4 and we will get our final result. Now it's time for you to have practice of these operators. Use these operators in this expression and get the results and understand it. We will learn more about Java programming language in our upcoming lectures. Subscribe to my channel to get updates for latest videos, and if your concepts are clear about the precedence of operators, share this video with the community and with your friends to help them understand operators in Java programming language. Thank you for your time.